Graphico Art Design presents India's first 3D digital art gallery. We welcomes you all in second National 3D Digital Art Gallery Art Exhibition. Beaton Goswami from Dharmshala, Himachal Pradesh, India. He is hearing impaired SBI Senior Associate and a specially abled artist. He passed MVA Master of Visual Arts from Government College of Art and Craft Kolkata in 2007 with first class in second rank, and he qualified ISL Indian Sign Language A-level course from AYJNIHH Mumbai with 82% marks, and after reaching his service life in 8 years, he is specially honored by SBI Local Head Office Chandigarh for his good artworks. These paintings are permanently installed in display room in SBI LHO Chandigarh, and SBI LHO Chandigarh decided to honor him with memento and special gift. He received national awards from New Delhi and international appreciation certificate from Japan in 1992. Also received 3 times state award from Government of West Bengal in 1998, 2004 and 2005. Since 2001, he has been participating art exhibitions in various places in India, and since September 2021, he participated in online art exhibition competition of international and national level. Among them, he received Gold Award from MAM Group Art Gallery under International Online Art Competition. He received award from Graphico Art Design, New Delhi with memento. His all works are created in watercolor on paper. He loves blue color in his painting. Generally, he is using ink with watercolor. His all paintings are inspired from nature. Title of his paintings are Colorful Nature, Stupa of India, and Who is Inside. Chandana Das Datta from Hooghly, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. She is an artist by passion. She enjoys different art mediums such as acrylic, oil, powder and watercolor. She has graduated from Government College of Art and Craft and done B.Ed. She has participated in lot of art galleries and competitions. Her art journey is going on from last 30 years. She formed different compositions in different styles like Madhubani paintings and many more. She has been awarded Avnindranath Tagore Award for her excellency. She got a scholarship by Center for Culture Resources and Training, CCRT Government of India and New Delhi for excellency in traditional Indian art. Now she is working as art teacher and teaching all types of art forms to the children. This painting title is Trying to Get Forgive from Rama. She created this painting in tempera on silk cloth. Geeta Roy from Patna, Bihar, India. She got training in art from Bangia Sangeet Parishad, West Bengal. She has participated in Rashtriya Mahila Chitrakala Shivir Patna 2013 and many more national and international online art competitions. She received many awards at different levels. She always try to do all kind of art if they appear appealing to her mind and heart. Usually she is doing Mithila painting and she love it. Title of painting is Inseparable Entity, which is done on canvas with acrylic color. Her belief is a work of art is never finished, only abandoned. Title of her next painting is The Sun and the Earth, the Family, which is also done on canvas with acrylic color. Harpreet Lote from Ludhiana, Punjab, India. Title of her painting is Friends, which is done on canvas with oil color. She loves to do painting with oil color and always trying to depict which is around her. Purika Raj Kumar from Mulugu, Telangana, India. Title of his painting is Bhavani. He has done this painting in mixed media. He tried to create composition of goddess Bhavani in very creative form. He used different kinds of texture for jewelry and try to finish his composition in different way. Preeti Dalwadi from Vadodara, Gujarat, India. She is postgraduate in Masters of Science, having keen interest in traditional Indian folk art since childhood. She is self-taught artist and doing practice of Madhubani art. Title of painting is Mohini, which is created on paper with acrylic color. She has participated in many online group exhibitions like Fortune Art Gallery, Manikarnika Art Gallery, Dream Art World Gallery, Kala Kutum Foundation, Delhi Art, MAM Group, Absolute Art, etc. She has received many silver and gold medals in different art exhibitions like FAZ International, like Fortune Art Gallery, Manikarnika Art Gallery, MAM Group, Absolute Art, Kala Kutum Foundation and MAM Group, etc. She has been awarded at national and international level in many online art exhibitions. Title of next painting is Ruler Beauty, which is also done on paper with acrylic color. Puspanjali Swain from Jajpur, Odisha. She has done MFA from Indra Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagarh, Chhattisgarh. She likes to paint with acrylic color on canvas. She won several awards at national level and TRI State Award. Title of her painting is Intermingle, which is done with acrylic color on canvas. Parshuram Kumar Shah from Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh, India. As a child, he was fond of painting. He used to do paintings during school time. He did diploma in mechanical engineering, and after that he got a job in Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited as a station controller or train operator. But after some time he didn't feel like there, and then he left the job and started learning painting with many trainers. His love toward art can be seen in his painting. He done diploma in fine art from Delhi College of Art. Seema Subedar from Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Her title of painting is Garden Nature. She has done with watercolor on paper. She is an art teacher. She has done ATD from JN Bhandari Art School, Belgaum, BFA from Mysore University, MCom LLB from Karnataka University. Since 2 years doing painting in acrylic, oil, watercolor, she won many national and international awards. She also got opportunity to judge inter-school painting competition Andhra Pradesh. She has also record of Guinness World as participants in uploading painting on social media FB. She has participated in Hyderabad Art Society exhibition, Bombay Art Society exhibition, IWS watercolor exhibition, etc.
Mrs. Shikha Mehta, very talented and upcoming glass painting artist from Ludhiana, Punjab, India. She is passionately painting since 2008. In her journey of painting, she has been teaching and grooming art and craft skill to the varied age groups and has been a part of the prestigious Lakewood School of Ludhiana.
Title of her painting is Rosy Telescope, which is done with acrylic color on canvas.
She has received Best Glass Painting Award in the 4th International Online Art Competition and Exhibition 2021 organized by the Kala Kutumb Foundation. She has also won Excellence Award in My Krishna Online Global Art Competition organized by Speaking Art Foundation. Like this, there are many more laurels to her name. Swarupananda Mishra from Kyonjhar, Odisha. He has done MFA from Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagarh, Chhattisgarh. His work is exhibited in Odisha Lalit Kala Academy and in many more like Kala Mandala, Birla Art Academy.
In his painting, he represented the ultimate source. His painting story is based on mythological topic, created on canvas with acrylic color. Title of his painting is Invention, which is done on canvas with acrylic color. Anjali Prabhakar from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. She has done MA, FD and MBA. She is multidimensional, a contemporary artist, Reiki Grandmaster and Tarot card reader. Title of her painting is Stages of Life, which is done on canvas with oil color. Most of her artwork are spiritual and emotion of nature and issues on women empowerment. She is very passionate about her work and hence she feel it to be her duty to pass on the gift and give back to society by conducting workshops to empower underprivileged women and their talent and deserve and discover new skill while experimenting with different form of media. Title of her next painting is Introspection, which is done on canvas with acrylic color. Her work have been exhibited many national and international exhibitions and have received numerous awards. Recently, she is honored as International Ambassador of Peace by World Literary Forum for Peace and Human Rights Organization, Venezuela, for her great effort in art field. Every painting gives message of spirituality and peace. She creates positive environment through her artwork. Besides this, she bagged many national and international award and recognition like Guinness World Record, Official Attempt Medal from Kalakar Foundation, Gold Medal in Suro Ka Surtaaj Singing Competition, Gold Medal Award from Bundelkhand Art Society, World Record in Safe Girls Art Show, Delhi. She bagged Guinness World Record, Books of World Record, India Record, and so many prestigious awards. Pratap from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
He has natural love for colors since early age of life. He always liked to play with colors. He has done Master of Fine Arts from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. His art education gave him wide perspective to work in various medium of colors, patches and style. But he has special love for painting with watercolors. Whenever he gets a chance, he moves out to the surrounding countryside to paint the human life of poor people like sagas, slum children, etc. in watercolor. His painting has its own unique style which has been admired and appreciated by contemporary artists and art critics in India and abroad. He hails from a modest town of Merwa, Siwan, Bihar. There is a large list of the exhibition, camps and award which reflects his journey of art. He has participated in many virtual show and gallery show at national and international level. He also became the part of first ever 3D gallery view virtual art international exhibition organized by Graphico Art Design, New Delhi. He has participated in Gallery 42 Fine Arts Maison and in 2015 he participated in a group show in Mosa, Greenwich House Gallery of Fine Art, OU, USA, a group show by Art Blue in Shanghai, China and so many.
Dr. Chaya Kumari from Mangaluru, Karnataka. Professionally, she is dental surgeon. She has keen interest of explore the hidden folk art of India. She displayed her traditional work in Madhubani style. Title of her painting is Ardhanarishwar, which is created on canvas with acrylic color. She is holder of many world records. She made world record of largest Madhubani paintings on canvas, largest Warli painting, longest Gond art, maximum number of painting made by an individual, that is 2200 in only 3 months of lockdown.
She bagged many national and international awards.
Recently, she has been honored as Mithila Kala Bhushan Award in Mithila Folk Painting Competition 2021 by Mathil Manch, Darbhanga, Bihar on 19th November 2021. Title of her next painting is Matsya Avatar, which is created on canvas with acrylic color.
Mrs. Kehkashan, MFA from AMU Aligarh, achieved KVS Regional and National Incentive Award, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Award in the category of Creative Painting, Active Teacher Award, and many other national and international awards in the field of painting and poetry. She usually worked in the negative technique of watercolor but never stopped doing experiments with other techniques and mediums.
Title of her painting is Serenity, which is created on paper with watercolor. Thank you.